Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily activate Google Pay on Stripe. So all you have to do is head over to dashboard.stripe.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is just head over to settings by clicking on the settings icon. Next is just scroll down and click on payments. Next is click on payment methods. And from here, you should be able to see a list of payment methods. And all you have to do is scroll down and look for Google Pay. So as you can see, Google Pay doesn't have the active status. And all you have to do is turn it on by clicking on Turn On. And as you can see, our Google Pay is now active. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!